standing up for the people and wildlife that live on our planet.
Cymru Can!
Why can't we support communities and help families access affordable local food?
Cymru Can!
Why can't we ensure that young people can stay in our communities?
Gyda'r sgiliau bydd ei angen arnom ar gyfer y dyfodol.
Cymru Can!
Why can't we take action now to protect my future grandchild?
So they can have a happy, healthy life.
Cymru Can!
Cymru Can!
Cymru Can!
Cymru Can! Cymru's Future Generations Act is about acting today for a better tomorrow. That means the whole of our public sector, from health to transport, in arts, sport and green spaces, has to, by law, work together so that everyone can have a good quality of life now. So we hand over the same opportunities to those born 5, 50 or hundreds of years into the future. Our wellbeing goals are unique to Wales. They've already created change here, from greener transport to a progressive new school curriculum, as well as a new way to define growth, which focuses on people and planet. Wales is still experiencing big challenges, from poverty to the climate and nature emergencies, and we need to do more to ensure Wales is truly inclusive and accessible for every person who lives here. As Future Generations Commissioner, I'll ensure that my #1 mission is making sure this law works harder, so that doing better things now and for the future is central to everything in Cymru. Our team is supporting 4 other big missions to help ensure Cymru Can, in climate and nature, culture, our economy and keeping people well. In the future, there will be people like us whose lives are richer because of what we did today. Why can't we have a Cymru with better lives for young and old, and for people not yet born?
Cymru Can!
Cymru Can!